guys, how are you doing? I'm back again with another interesting video. Today we are going to learn how to make homemade yogurt. So first, make sure you have boiled milk without the cream that forms on top. Once you boil the milk, make sure you've removed the cream and then leave it to cool for a bit because we're going to use it when it's warm. So for me, I boiled 3 liters of milk. Then I separated them into 3 different containers. So I have 2 different types of yogurt. I have the vanilla and the strawberry. So for the first container with milk, I'm going to put the vanilla yogurt. So it depends on which flavor you like more. If you like vanilla, you can just make vanilla yogurt only, but I'm going to make both vanilla and strawberry. So in the first container of milk that I separated, I'm going to put the vanilla yogurt. So I mix it up until it is evenly mixed. So you mix it up kabisa for it to be even. After you've mixed it up, make sure you have a cling film on the side. So that's what you're going to use to wrap the milk. Wrapping my vanilla yogurt. That's how I've wrapped it. So now onto the strawberry one. We're going to mix it up with my other portion of milk. Remember, it should be warm milk without the cream. Don't let the cream form, and if it forms, make sure you sieve it. So now we're going to mix it up, the strawberry yogurt. Just any strawberry yogurt or vanilla yogurt can do. That's why I got the fresher and the other one, I don't know what the name is, but they're 2 different companies. So as long as they're 2 different types, it's okay. And as long as it's a yogurt, it's fine. So also that, I mix it up with the milk evenly. And then after mixing it up, make sure I wrap it up. Also, when you're preparing to make the yogurt, make sure you have the essence. I have the strawberry essence and the vanilla, or depending on which yogurt you want to make. There are different type of flavors. So the flavor you're going to make is the essence you're going to buy. So I have the vanilla and the strawberry. You can see the 2 of them there. So that is what I'm going to use way later after the yogurt is formed. So I'm done with my strawberry also. So I'm going to wrap it up with a cling film nicely, and then we can store it. My strawberry yogurt is ready to be stored. So I have another method. This is my 3rd portion of the milk, which was slightly kidogo because I do want to make a lot of it. So this one is for them when you don't have yogurt, like when you haven't bought yogurt. So you can use chili. I have red and green, but you can use either. That's why I put both colors so that you know you can use any. So the chilies, you put them into the milk as well. This is for those who don't have the yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, you can use chili. So you put the chili inside the milk and then you also wrap it up. Same way we've done with the ones we've put the yogurt. So you just wrap it up. So when it comes to the storage, make sure you put it somewhere you're not opening all the time. You can put it in a cupboard that you don't open all the time, or maybe you can remove the caps or whatever that you need to remove and store it there. Or you can put it in the oven if your oven is not busy. So for me, I opted to put it in the oven. So I put the three of them, strawberry, vanilla, and the one I put chilies. There we go. And then now you store it there for 24 hours. 24 hours later, let's check our yogurt. Let's see how it is. So we have the chili one. Okay, the flavor is not chili, just that we've made it using chili. The strawberry one and the vanilla one. So we're going to check how it turned out. Hoping for good outcome, because sometimes things can backfire. So let's start with the chili one. And we have our yogurt, our plain yogurt. As you can see, it's thick. So that's the plain yogurt. So for this one, you can use it to make yogurts. Now you can use this as the way we used for the strawberry and the vanilla. So you can use this particular portion or to make any other yogurt. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this one to make another yogurt later. You can see it's very thick. Turned out very well. So let's go and check out the strawberry and the vanilla one. Looks like we've made it. So both the three of them, we have our yogurts. So that is how it turns out. You have to really stir it nicely. You can see it's very thick. Mine is super thick because I put a lot of yogurt and the milk was not that much. So you don't have to put that much yogurt in your milk. Also, it depends on the amount of milk you're using. So mine is super thick, you can see. So there's our vanilla yogurt. Now is the time to add some essence. So I'm going to add strawberry essence into the strawberry yogurt to add some more color on it. So just a little bit of it, and then you add sugar to taste for those who like sugar. Those who don't, you don't have to add it. So just some essence for the color, for the strawberry and the vanilla, and then just some sugar to taste. And that's our homemade yogurt. You don't have to buy yogurt all the time. You can make it at home and as much as you want to have. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.